Chances are you are here because you or a loved one has battled cancer, are now in remission, and looking to regain your health. My name is Suzanne Foglio, and I help cancer survivors to live their most beautiful lives through creating a healthy lifestyle. Do you live with the fear of your cancer returning? Are you overwhelmed with the thought of creating nutritious, easy meals? Do you struggle to achieve and maintain your optimal weight? Well, it doesn't have to be that way. In 1999, my husband Jim was diagnosed with stage 4 non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. He had a football-sized tumor in his spleen, cancer throughout his abdominal lymph nodes, and bone marrow. Thankfully, after a year of treatment, Jim's cancer went into remission. But before we could celebrate, the doctors warned that this cancer would come back. Well, that was all the motivation that we needed to take action and make healthy living a priority. Well, it's been over 14 years and Jim has remained cancer-free. And I've helped others put together their healthy living plan. I know with a little support and guidance, you too can live a vibrant life after cancer. To get you started, I have a free gift for you. All you need to do is enter your name and email address in the box on this page, and you'll receive my Thriving After Cancer kit. The kit is actually 3 gifts in one. First, you'll receive my special report, 3 powerful anti-cancer superfoods with recipes. I promise these recipes are quick, easy, and delicious. Second, you'll receive my audio, 6 immune boosting strategies. Because after all, a healthy immune system is key to keeping cancer from returning. And third, you'll receive a free subscription to my newsletter, The Art of Vibrant Living After Cancer. All you need to do is enter your name and email address in the box on this page, and you'll get instant access to the Thriving After Cancer kit. Please don't wait. Take empowered action and don't leave your health to chance. Thank you for stopping by and have a beautiful day.